National Information Center Statement. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Over the past 18 hours since the last National Information Center statement, more severe radiation-based anomalies have occurred throughout the United States, with the most damaging being a radioactive fog in Little Rock, Arkansas and a nuclear power plant meltdown near Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania. It is expected that more anomalies of this nature, and as projected by the United States government as growing increasingly severe, will continue across the nation. At this time, the likelihood of an emergency action notification and subsequent national emergency is still debatable. Please stay tuned to local news outlets for further information.
What the? Oh shoot. Oh crap. Oh crap, they did it. Oh crap. Oh, that's not good. Oh man. Gosh dang it, I knew they wouldn't, that those things wouldn't stop. I knew it.
Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
Hello, I am a representative of the President of the United States. As of 11:36 p.m. Eastern Time, or 8:36 p.m. Pacific Time, the United States is in a state of national emergency. Over the past couple of days, dangerous events regarding radioactive fallout have taken place all across our nation, including 6 reports of fallout materializing within a city, 3 explosions that created fallout but were not nuclear, 2 reports of radioactive fog, and sadly, 1 instance of a nuclear power plant meltdown. As of now, enough fallout is in the air to affect most residents of the nation. To all American citizens, no matter where you are, take cover now. Isolate yourself inside with as little possibility of any intrusion of air from the outside, and stay in your shelter until an all clear is given. Food and water will be delivered by the armed forces every week to all communities with a population of 250 or greater. Please await further instructions from the government, and may God save our nation.